Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a slip stitch. Yeah, you heard me right, a slip stitch. Okay, now I'm going to be using a number 3.5 hook. First of all, we are going to make a slip knot. You use your thumb to support here and insert your hook and pull this loop through. Now hold both ends and pull. You've made your first slip knot. Now we are going to make a chain of 20 loosely because we are going to come back and work in this chain stitch. So now we are going to make 20. If you don't know how to make a chain stitch, click the link above to learn how to make a chain stitch. Okay, so we have 20 stitches. Now this loop on your hook does not count as a stitch. We start counting from this. We're going to skip one and into this next stitch. Use your thumb to support this loop. This is your working yarn. Insert your hook and take this working yarn just like this. You have 2 loops on your hook. Now while doing your slip stitch, you don't yarn over. Instead, this loop you just brought out from the chain, you continue taking it out of the chain on your hook. Let's repeat it again. Into the next stitch, insert your hook, take your working yarn and pull through this loop on your hook. I'm going to do it again. Yarn over, insert and pull through just like this. And pull through, insert and pull through just like this. You don't yarn over after you bring out your loop from your hook. Just like this. Insert, just like this. You continue working this until you get to the end of your row. Guys, I don't know if this video is very clear for you to see this slip stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through and then pull through the loop on your hook. So this loop on your hook, you insert your hook and pull up your working yarn and just pull through. Guys, this is a slip stitched row. It looks like you didn't do anything, but while you keep on working, you see the changes. Thank you so much for learning this stitch. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.